Thomas Kiddie ride from R.G. Mitchell. Start button message.
When you're ready, press the start button.
You're a really useful engine. I need you to help the other engines.
Here's the front view, made by R.G. Mitchell in 1994. This version was released in 2000 or 2001, I believe. Point of view for the homebrew makers. Actually, better. Point of view for the homebrew makers.
You're a really useful engine. I need you to help the other engines.
This one's in great condition.
I need you to help the other engines.
Where the display works. Base. It's got a bit of red stuff on it though.
You're a really useful engine. I need you to help the other engines.
Review of the back. And that was the big Thomas Kiddie ride from R.G. Mitchell, sighted at, what's this place called again? It's sighted at a shopping centre in Cardiff.